What is active recovery?
The previous post in the text is active recovery, means performing gentle movement on rest days instead of complete inactivity. This approach helps reduce muscle soreness, improve circulation, and keep your body flexible. Unlike intense workouts, active recovery uses lighter activities that support the recovery process, making it easier to stick to your fitness routine.
Benefits of staying active on rest days.
Light movement on rest days can boost blood flow to your muscles, helping with the removal of waste products and bringing in nutrients for repair. Active recovery can also lower stiffness, support joint health, and help you maintain a habit of regular physical activity. These gentle activities can improve overall recovery and promote better long-term fitness results.
Safe activities for active recovery.
Popular options for active recovery include brisk walking, easy cycling, light swimming, stretching, or yoga. These activities keep your body moving without adding too much stress. The key is to keep the intensity low and listen to your body. Avoid exercises that cause pain or fatigue. Focus on comfort, relaxation, and gradual movement to truly support recovery.
Tips to maximize recovery benefits.
Stay hydrated, eat nourishing foods, and get enough sleep alongside your active recovery. Pay attention to how your body feels and don't hesitate to take a full rest if needed. Use active recovery to address tight muscles and improve flexibility. Incorporating breathing exercises and good posture during these sessions can further enhance your recovery.
When to avoid active recovery.
If you're recovering from an injury or feeling unusually fatigued, it's important to opt for complete rest instead of active recovery. Listen to your body and consult a health professional if you have ongoing pain or concerns. Active recovery is safe for most people, but always put your health first and prioritize true rest when necessary.